Hello guys, about a week ago I posted about WoofLab airdrop. So and I dropped some link on my Facebook page and also on my Telegram channel to fill 10 forms. So this was form 9 and this was from that's airdrop 10 and they gave an extra one which okay airdrop 10 is here. So afterwards the airdrop closed and 6 days ago they launched. So they had an announcement that they were going to launch one of the biggest airdrop on the Solana network in the history of the Solana network. So, but when they came out, a lot of people was a little bit kind of disappointed. But so the essence of this video is to teach you how to claim the WoofLab airdrop. So first of all, just say visit woofswap.co. So I've copied this thing already. So I'm using Phantom wallet. That's where I have my coins. So I've already pasted the address here. So I've copied click on receive, then you copy Solana wallet. Then already I've dropped the thing here. That's woofswap.co. So I pasted my address here. Then you click on search. After you paste your address, you click on search. Then you have to wait for like 3 to 5 minutes before this claim token will show up. So whenever you click on it and it's not loaded, don't think is an error from your network provider or anything. No, that's how it works. It takes a little bit longer time, like 3 to 5 minutes before these claim tokens appear. So you are going to go to the next stage now by clicking on claim token. So this don't know if it might take some time. Let's say connect wallet. So I'm connecting. Claim gumdrop. Okay, I'm doing that right now. You can see it. So user rejected request failed. Why? Let me try that again. Okay, they want to charge me 0.00333 Solana, 333 Solana. For what they are giving is 2,220. So network fee is 0.004. So I click on confirm because there are charges. Confirm. So let's see how this take. Claim succeeded 1 out of 2. All right, claim succeeded 2 out of 2. It's still showing claim gum, but I don't. Let me still click on it. Let's see where it leads. An account with same address already exists. No balance found. Yes, which means I've claimed it. So let's go check our balance. You click on the dollar sign. Let's look for WoofLab. Okay. Okay, this is it. This is what I just claimed, 2,000. Okay, the current worth of this airdrop right now is worth 0.41 cents. So according to some OGs, they believe that this airdrop might actually be worth something, and they don't want to pump the price so that they don't have to avoid dumping. So that's why they made it this price. So you can check your own address to see if you actually qualify for this airdrop too. All right, so this particular when I claim this when I've done a transaction on jupe.eg before, so I think that's why I qualified for this airdrop. So I've claimed mine already. So I bought this other one, but I didn't qualify for jupe. So I guess I got to try again. So if you check your wallets, your Solana wallets, if you qualify for this Woof airdrop. All right, this is another one entirely different from that main one. All right, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment sections and you'll be attended to. All right, see you guys. And just before I leave you, these friends, this friends airdrop you are seeing right here, this is an airdrop actually. I also got this. The price has not been stable. It has, I've seen it move from $1.90 something cents, then it fell back. So let's see how it goes. Most of these coins I have here, they are from airdrop. I didn't buy them. All right, so if you want to partake, make sure you follow me. Then you can join my telegram channel to see more updates. All right, so see you guys.